Alright guys, so I just came back from Sam's Club and it's gonna be a long night. As you can tell by the title below, we are going to be doing a lot of stuff for a party preparation. There's two parties going on Saturday. There's a kid party and an adult party. So I have 50 Jello shots to make. I have piñatas to fill. I have water bottles. I have a lot of stuff to do. So I'm gonna just take you guys along with me. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. Let's go. You guys, and like I said before, I was not cooking tonight, so I got this little ready meal at Sam's Club. It's just red enchiladas, and got that ready, popped it in the oven for a good 45 minutes. And then before we did anything, we need to take a shot because we're gonna be here for a minute, okay? With all these balloons, decorations, baking, and there's so much still left to do after this video. We just went ahead and got it done. Anyways, we knocked it out. So I'm just putting this infused pineapple syrup in there and some vodka and some grenadine and calling it a day. It's my little miniature pineapple upside down shot, if you feel me. So it's my little spin on that. So I went ahead and did that and then started on these water bottles because I had to take the labels off and put the bluey ones on. Guys, so I'm about to start the water bottle label process. With these, I'm gonna take these labels off and then put these ones on. It just says party, smiles, cute, lovely, and happiness. That's the nutrition facts, okay? So just like that. Hopefully this comes off good. That's so cute. And I only did a few of these small ones just because I know we're gonna have like a water dispenser out and we're gonna have a bucket of water bottles. So I'm like, we're just gonna use this for decoration purposes and call it a day, because the packet that I did have was for, let me slow down, the pack of the labels that I had that were bluey came in a pack of 100 and I wasn't about to sit here and do 100 water bottles for real. So I just did what would cover the top of the bucket and called it a day, okay, to give it the vibes. Now y'all, why y'all ain't put me onto the piñata candy? Like, it got little trinkets, it got frisbees in there, it got all the things. Like, I am not hip, but don't come for me because it's my first time mobbing like this. It's my first time stuffing a piñata. Usually I'm the one hitting it, but now I'm the one stuffing it. So it came out like these little dinosaurs, all in different colors, little frisbees and all kinds of stuff. I did not know. I just thought this was like a big candy bag to be honest. So it was a surprise for me. Came with like a whistle, as you guys see, and I'm just sitting here stuffing it And I thought this wasn't going to be enough, but it's going to be more than enough. There's not going to be that many kids. And if I see anybody over the age of 5 get some candy, I'm going to have to elbow them in their throat. But yeah, ignore it. Just ignore me. But yeah, these are all the balloon, like not even all the balloons. This is like for one balloon art. So stay tuned to my next video, which will be like the actual vlog of the party, and y'all see what we're doing. I couldn't give y'all all the preparation of the setup, y'all. I really could not, because I need to focus and get it done, and the liquor was going through me while I was doing it. So now we're moving on to the Jello shots. Okay, this is my first time making Jello shots. I just wanted to make it special for my boo thing. Okay, make sure he have a good day. Okay, so I'm using this pink Starburst because it's the best, and this pink Whitney, and I'm boiling 1 cup of boiling water and then 2 cups of the vodka. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm filling them all the way up to the top and then kind of letting them cool, and then I'm going to put the lids on and flip them over so they're easy to come out, so we ain't got to dig our finger around and do the whole shabam bam. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm talking about. But tell me what's y'all's favorite Jello shot recipe, because I was looking around and it had a lot of just stuff, and I was like, you know what, this is a lot. We're gonna do basic strawberry and Starburst, because I like strawberry. I don't really care for blueberry. Like, you know, like the popsicles, like you just weird if you go for the grape. Like if you're like, oh, I'm gonna get grape, or I'm gonna get, well, the blue popsicles do hit. It just tastes different in the Jello. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But y'all, this color came out so cute. Like, it's a man's party, but you know, men wear pink. These came out so good. I was tasting them and it smelled good. It was everything. So this is just the Starburst shots. And then I wanted to try my hand at the strawberry one, so I got this family pack. So this ratio was 2 cups of boiling water, and then I put, what did I put? Oh, 2.5 cups of vodka. And I used 1 cup of the regular pure vodka, and then 1 cup of this pink Whitney Amsterdam. So it was ratio. 2 cups of water, Jello, mix it in. I didn't like cool it down with cold water and all this. No, I just mix it in, let the Jello dissolve, and then I went ahead and put 1 cup of the Amsterdam pink Whitney, and then 1 cup of the 80 proof vodka in there, mixed it in till it's well incorporated, put it in my measuring cup, and went on about my business. Okay. So in total, I made 63 Jello shots, minus the ones that I had. But then I was like, ooh, I have these apples from the drink that I made the other day, so let me go ahead and make a little potpourri. What do you call that? A simmer pot. Yeah, I went ahead and made a little simmer pot and put my apples in there. I put, what else did I put in there? Oh, cinnamon and cloves. Super simple. And now I'm moving on to my cookie dough. Y'all, ooh, this was a night. This was a long night, but it had to get done. So in the party favors, I did, you can go check out my short. I'll put it at the top right here of what exactly I put it in. put in the bags. So it's just a drawstring bag, some cups that I got off of Amazon, and then some candy, some fruit snacks, some stickers I think, and some other stuff in there. But also we got these little BLUEY cookie slips to put little cookies in, so I decided to make some homemade chocolate chip cookies and send them along with that because I thought it would be cute. So I'm just making some chocolate chip. Yeah, I don't know why I'm struggling, man. I'm struggling to talk today. But so I just used 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of regular sugar, ignore me dropping that, 3 cups of flour, 2 eggs, and 2 sticks of butter, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, and then just blend it up. And this is my first time using my KitchenAid, so I was just super excited to use it. And for sure I see the hype. Just having a mixer in general is hype, because I was like, oh, I only gotta wash 1 dish. Simple. So it was cool to see it kind of do its thing instead of me having to use my elbow grease. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let y'all vibe out to the music and let me stop talking for a second. Alright guys, and I just went ahead and put this in the fridge for overnight, and I'm gonna bake it tonight, the day you're seeing this video upload. And yeah, I had to just end the video, stop recording, and get what I need to get done. And stay tuned for the birthday vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.